Hello. This lesson is going to be addition rules for integers. So we're going to be adding integers, and the essential question is, what are the rules for adding integers? And there's going to be some rules here and some examples. So rule number 1, same sign add. Rule number 2, different signs subtract. And then remember, we did absolute value last week. Here comes the absolute value part that I said you needed to know for integers. And the sign of the answer will be sign of the largest absolute value. Now, this is if you don't have to use a number line, or for some classes, if you don't have to use counters. Not every class did the counter method. So here are some examples, and I'm going to give you some larger numbers because larger numbers would be some issues. So let's just say we have positive 31 plus 14. Now, both numbers are positive, so the signs are the same, so we add them. So 31 plus 14 is 45. That you've been doing for several years. Now, what if we have negative 33 plus negative 25? So you look at the signs of both numbers. 33 is negative, 25 is negative. Those signs are the same, so the rule says same sign, add. So we're going to add the numbers, 33 plus 25, and we're going to get 58. And then the last thing in the rule says the sign of the answer will be the sign of the largest absolute value. So we look at 33 and 25. Which one has a larger absolute value? 33, so the answer is negative. Now, this is pretty straightforward when you have two positives and two negatives. Signs are the same, you add. But what if we have negative 33 plus 12? Well, in this case, the signs are different. So different sign says subtract in the rules. So we take 33 minus 12, and we're going to get 21. So ignore the signs to add or subtract, and now we look at the numbers, 33 and 12. Which number has the largest absolute value? 33 does. So the sign of that 33 is negative, so the sign in the answer is negative. Well, what if the first number is positive? So what if we had 45 plus negative 22? Well, it really makes no difference, because the signs are different. So we're going to subtract 45 and 22, which is going to give us 23. And in this case, the largest absolute value is 45. So this would be a positive 23, which could be written as 23 or as positive 23. So in summary, use addition rules for adding integers.